Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm actually going on a birthday trip with my husband, and we are actually going to Las Vegas. So I am about to head out. We are taking the afternoon flight. The only thing I hate is that we have to take two flights because we couldn't get a direct flight to Vegas, so we're gonna take two planes. The first stop is gonna be in Dallas, Texas, and then from there we take another plane to go to Vegas. So I hope you guys can enjoy this vlog. I will try my best to vlog this experience. So let's go. I got my bag already packed. I'm ready to head out. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let's get to traveling. Eddie, say something.
Hey y'all, I'm tired.
He said he's tired. Sorry, baby. It looks so nice. Okay, guys, so I'm about to do a room tour. I'm not gonna show my face because I've been traveling all day, but this is how the door look when you first walk in. So on the left hand side, there's this beautiful picture. It is a jointed room. I don't like those kind of room where the other side, but we already checked. This door is locked. The other door on the other side is locked. But this is what the room looked like so far. This is what the room looked like. It has like a dining area. And you get this picture right here. Don't know who that is. And on the left hand side, you have a smaller bathroom. It has like a stand-in shower and a cute little shelf. And then you have like the fridge and this little, water and snack station. Then you have a sitting area. And it's a beautiful couch. And there you go, you see a fountain. So we are staying at the Cosmopolitan, and it's right in the middle of, like, you'll see, we have the fountain view. So I'll show you guys a little bit later what it looks like out there. And then we have the room. So that's the bed. And we have another balcony there, a chair here. And I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom in a second. But it comes with a beautiful closet. When you open the door, the light goes on. So that's the door to the closet. And now I'm gonna take you guys to the bathroom. There's a mirror on the left hand side. There's this door that is locked and I cannot open it, which I don't like because I want to know what's on the other side. But it comes with the tub. And you get his and her sink. And you have like the toilet area in another section, which the door can be closed. And then you have a bigger, stand-in shower on this one. So that's the bathroom. So let's see if I can take you guys outside to the balcony. But yeah, this is our view. It's gorgeous. I know I seen it when I was doing it earlier.
If I pass the test.
It's open.
All right, okay.
Thank you so much. That's loud. So guys, we are going to do the helicopter thing. I don't know if you can hear us, but that's so cool. Nervous is that that was actually really fun, you guys. You should definitely try it. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, come here. The light will be better this way. We actually had so much fun.
It wasn't bad.
And I didn't get sick, so that's the good part about it.
Wasted nausea medicine.
It's okay. I'd rather take it than not take it at all. But that was really, really fun. I think we should definitely do it again.
The Grand Canyon one.
Yeah. So it was worth the money. Definitely go ahead and try it out.
Close your eyes, Sam. Is that a mirror? Oh. I thought it was a mirror. the strobe lights at?
No, you'll go in there.
I already went to that room.
I like this one now. Do you still want to go to the other side?
Yeah, I see you want to go. Oh, it'd be cold in here. Let me try.
It doesn't taste bad either.
Yeah, this one's not bad.
I mean, I could.
Let me pick it up.
He said, pick it up. Go ahead, taste it.
This one is the, which one is this one?
I think it's number
The
2.
Kiss Strawberry from Panama. Tastes like Fanta, but take some ice cream.
Yeah. So guys, I am on top of the world at the stratosphere. It's so cold. Oh my God, Eddie, I wanted to take a picture, but damn. Hey guys, I finally made it back home. But definitely had fun. If you guys haven't been to Vegas, I highly recommend that you go and, you know, try it out. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely go back to Vegas. So if there's a place that you didn't see that I went and that you think I should check out, definitely like let me know in the comment, and I'll add it to my list for next time. So I will see you guys in the next one.